With the DEVO lock, once installed, you have several ways to get into your house. First is Fingerprint. You also have the typical key, so you flip this, and then you could put a key in as a backup. Also, you could enter with a code, so you could just type it in on this keyboard, and that will allow you to enter. And you have the typical magnet key that you get into any hotel. I don't know if you noticed, but you have a doorbell button over here. And you could ring the doorbell inside the house, so there is a speaker built in. And you have a camera here in the front. And this camera is a live camera, so it can sense motion. So when I get close to it, this one lights up because it can sense motion, and it can video stream. So you could see everything that is on this side of the door. With the Tuya app that is designed to work with this lock. Here at the bottom, you also have a USB emergency socket. In case you run out of power on the inside, then you could feed it directly from here and actuate the motor that way. Next in the video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install, because it only took me about 10 minutes to put it all together. Everything and all the accessories that you want are in the box. And also I'm going to give you a couple of details as far as how you program it and how it works with your app, because there are a couple of tricks that you need to know. It looks better than I expected for the price. So everything you need is in the box, including very detailed instructions, and it's included battery. So this is a rechargeable battery with a USB connection in the back and a solid plate on this thing. So it's a very solid metal plate over here, so it cannot be removed off the door very easy. The deadbolt installs first. Very nice fit. This goes next. The cables go through. This plate installed next. They give you 3 types of bolts, different lengths for different kind of thickness doors. Cables are coming out at the bottom, and now we're gonna put the back plate on. The moment of truth, we're gonna put a battery in, see what happens. Oh, so we just did a little bit of a test. Cap goes on. This is for the battery. Interesting lock. So what do you need to know after the installation? So as you saw in the video, putting it together was pretty easy. This particular lock is a little bit different than other locks that I've tested before. The lock itself has 5 administrators and 195 users. As far as the administrators go, you could set up either a password, a key card, a fingerprint. You have 5 options that you could change and set up as an administrator. After that, you could set up 195 users. So the way that the lock was designed is that you store everything inside the lock, but the Tuya app will not be able to see those users and make changes to them. Once the administrators are set up, that will be the master keys that will allow you to make changes to the lock, and then you will have as many users as you want. So if you have multiple people in the household, you have to register each one of them as a user with their fingers, and then they will be able to lock in, or give them a card, or give them a key, or give them a password. And here's the app. How it works, and I'm gonna put it here on the side of the video so everybody can see what I'm doing. So you have an option to press and hold, and this will lock the door. So right now it's locked. I've heard it already, it's in the other room, but it works over via Wi-Fi. And then you have the video surveillance. So right now you could see, this is live video from my garage. You could see my car, you could see my bikes, you can see everything that the door can see, because this is installed on the door between my garage and my house. From here, you could unlock the door if you want. So you could press and hold this thing, and then we'll unlock the door. And then also you could talk to the people that you are going to see at the door if you install this one on the outside door, for example. Also in the app, you could get a temporary password. And that's really nice, because if you create a temporary password, if somebody's at the door, you want to let them in just one time, then you could create a temporary password and you could allow them to get into the house. And also you have other options over here in the app, like for example, remote unlock. You could have sleep time, so the door can get locked and unlocked. If you look over here where it says device update, there are no updates available as of right now, but this is the version 0.031, so it's in its early state, and I could set it up to automatically upgrade, and then it will change maybe later on once the updates are available. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was informational to you, and thanks for watching.